Hello friends, this is Peter. Today I'm making a third part video of FOREX trading platform which I have made first and second already, and this is third part where I'm going to cover four features which few features has updated newly and already existing feature which I have not covered in the first and second video. I'll try to close very quickly. It would be a short video for you. These all four features is very much important for a day traders, even for general traders also. So those who are not seen my first video is the must, because it all the key feature I have explained in the first video, which I'm going to upload in the I button. You can click on the I button right top corner. You can see there is a I symbol. On that button I will upload the first video, and the second video and mobile trading app video, two videos I'll be putting on the end screen. You will get those two video in the end screen. So without wasting our time, we'll start the video. Before starting, I request all my friends, those who are new, please subscribe and do not forget to hit a bell icon. So any video I upload, you will never miss those video. Because every feature which has been updated immediately, we'll try to bring to your notice. This is the new feature is been updated in the FOREX trading platform. So please click the bell icon so any video immediately you will notified and you can enjoy the future new feature. The fourth feature which I am going to explain, that would be a very much important, which I am going to explain the end. Please watch the video till the end so that you can understand everything. So if you want to open your account in the FOREX trading, you will get the link on the description box. Just click on the description box and click on the link and you can open your account. It's free account. Those who open by this month would be a lifetime free for a AMC. Year on year AMC charges will be there. That is also waived off for lifetime, those who open by this month. And those who open after this month also, account opening will be free. Only AMC charge will be charged. That is very minimal charge, right? This is the FOREX trading platform. Here a lot of people ask me about the changing the theme, how to change the theme. Okay, that I'm going to show you how to change the theme on the black to white and white to black. Okay, very simple. A lot of people knows that. Still I'm showing you. Here you can see a dashboard. In the right side you can see a dashboard. This is dashboard. Okay, and here you can see a one arrow. Okay, these two you can note it down. You have to either click on the dashboard, it will go up, or you can click on this arrow, it will go up. Here you can see a right side, you can see my cursor, a setting symbol. Okay, just click on the setting symbol. You will get that light dark theme. Okay, if you click on the light dark theme, it will convert into white theme. If you want that into dark theme, again you can click on the dark theme. Okay, this is how you need to change the light and white dark theme, right? Now a lot of people had one more question. While doing analysis, people find some difficulty because the corporate action has been shown in the chart itself. If you go to a weekly chart, one second, I will just put on the some stock here so you will get that. If I put some weekly chart or monthly chart, you can see here there is a corporate action, which is, you can see dividend provided, all these things will be shown here. If you want to do some analysis, draw trend line, you may not able to draw trend line. Where is the exact trend line to draw, you may not be knowing that. Okay, because there's a corporate action is hiding to do an analysis. For that you can just click here setting. Okay, again hide corporate action, show or hide a corporate action. If you click that, it will go off. If you want that in your chart, you can just again click on that and you can keep that on your chart. But if you want to see that corporate action, you can just right click here, and here you can see the corporate action. If you click here, you can see here all corporate action will be shown here. Whatever date they have provided dividend, all this thing you can see here also. Okay, no need to have that corporate action here. Okay, this is the one. And one more thing, I had some people were asking me once, friends, this trading platform is one of the beautiful trading platform. Everything you will get in the one screen itself. No need to go anywhere. Okay, everything will be shown in the one screen itself. Those who are not seen my first video, you have to watch that. Once you bought a stock for an intraday, people are searching what price it got executed. Okay, that they had in some confusion. Okay, where to see what quantity been executed, they used to go to dashboard and search for what price it got executed. No need to go to dashboard at all. You will find one arrow mark on which candle you bought. Here, if you bought in this candle, I'll one second, if you bought in this candle, one arrow mark will be shown here, and if you sold at this candle, one arrow mark will be shown here. Only you have to do that, you have to take your cursor on this arrow mark, then it will show you what price you bought that, what is the quantity you bought that. That will be shown in this arrow mark if you keep your cursor on that. And what here, if you keep what price you exited that stock, it will show you in this. If you have to keep your cursor in this. Okay, that you can see in the chart itself, and price will be running here. That you have to see the first video, you will understand everything I have explained in that first video, right? Okay, that one thing I explained you now. Now in the first video which I explained here, that to buy and sell, there is a tab will be available at this corner, that is movable tab. Anywhere you can take that tab and keep anywhere where you want to keep that tab. Okay, in the first video I showed that, but now what happened, they removed that tab, that movable tab. Now they have fixed that here. You can see here the red here, this point, this is red and this is blue. Okay, you have to click here to sell. Okay, and then this one to buy. So buy and sell tab is being fixed at left corner. After update, this has been fixed. The first video I explained, it is movable. Anywhere you want, you can move and keep, but now it's been fixed here. So this is one updated feature, right? Now I'm coming to a fourth point, which is a major point the day trader need to know. That earlier I said that there is a multi-screen option. You have, if you click the multi-screen here, okay, you can customize each screen with each time frame, and also you can customize with different indicator on the each screen. You can have a same script with different time frame, or you can have bank nifty here, nifty here, and if you want to buy some HDFC or SBI, you can put it here and they write this screen, and see if bank nifty has given a breakout and also nifty has given a breakout. Now I can buy HDFC. So all this comparison can be done here in the multi screen. The same feature in a different way I'm going to show you here in the different method. Okay, that is also a beautiful feature which a day trader should know on the daily trading. I will add here a bank nifty symbol. Okay, I have added here bank nifty. Okay, I'll remove all this drawing. Now I want to see what is happening in the HDFC. In the same chart I want to see. Nothing you have to do here. Here you can see in the top left corner there is plus symbol. Okay, you just click that symbol. This pop-up window will come up. Here add symbol, you have to go to add symbol, not compare symbol. Okay, you have to go to add symbol and overlay the main chart should be ticked here. Okay, now I'm adding here HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. Okay, yes, HDFC Bank I'm adding here. Okay, you can see HDFC Bank got added here. Okay, this is a line chart. Now you want to convert this into the candle chart. Just tab here, you can see HDFC, go to setting point and you can just click on the line, go to a candle chart. Okay, Now HDFC Bank, it has opened a candle chart. Can you see here HDFC Bank? Here on the right side you can see the bottom one is the Bank Nifty. Okay, here the Bank Nifty tab is there, 35,200, 35,500. All this Bank Nifty tab is here available. And the left side you can see I'm just dragging up and down. This is a HDFC Bank price bar. Okay, this is a price bar HDFC Bank. So you can compare the Bank Nifty with HDFC simultaneously. You can add one more script also here. You can add n numbers of script, but I'm showing just a two script. Okay, if you want to drag this up and down, you just click here and take this up and down. Okay, if you want these to take up and down, you can just click here anywhere and take. Here also you can click and take up and down, but this script if you want to take up and down, you have to click on the candle and you can take up and down. Okay, this is the option how you have to take. So comparing these two, it will help the intraday trader to compare the script and take a trade in there for an intraday. Friends, this is the beautiful feature which required for a day trader. Friends, hope the four feature I have covered in this, not all the feature, more feature yet to be covered. So I'm closing with this four feature. Any new updates immediately will try to bring to your notice. When update comes, same time I will try to make the feature which is not covered in the earlier video. So I will cover along with that new feature the feature which is not covered. Here there is a dome feature. Everyone knows that dome feature. I have not covered this dome feature. This is one of the beautiful feature that called a price ladder also, that will try to cover in the next video when the new updates comes. Lot of updates every time coming, so at that time I'll cover that feature. Along with that, one or two feature I'll be covering. So stay tuned with this channel. Any updates you will be notified immediately. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you want to open account, as I said in the description box, you will get account opening link. You can click on that and you can just open your account. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.